What's going on everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let us jump right in. Today, we have the Tomica 3-car set 50th anniversary. These were all released all at independent times. I was waiting to be able to get my hands on all three of them before doing this video. I finally got the last one of the set, which was the GTR. So without waiting anymore, let's crack these open. I really like the packaging Tomica did for these. These were liveries picked by the auto manufacturers themselves. So they each independently picked. Honda had their own, Toyota had their own, and Nissan had their own. So they decided to pick what they wanted on their livery, which is nice. See here, designed by Honda, and they'll each have designed by Toyota, designed by Nissan. So it's a little unconventional in terms of packaging for Tomica. It's a nice little square box that actually flips open, and you do see the car clear cut, and then gives you a little brief description about, I'm not sure exactly what this is about. For those of you who could read probably Japanese, hit me down in the comments down below, because I got no idea what this is about. I'm guessing either the designer or history of the car maker. Not a clue. We got Honda Civic 50th anniversary version, designed by Honda. We got the Tomica 50th anniversary logo there. Same thing up here. Got the Honda trademark. I'm surprised they didn't put a serial number on these. They didn't want us to save the packaging on this whatsoever. There you go. Oh, there's a hard cardboard underneath, that's why. Nice presentation. Let's put these on the side. This Honda Civic Tomica 50 edition has absolutely phenomenal lines. They nailed the back. Look at that. They have that painted bumper, the real tailpipes, the tail lights, the Honda badging, 50th anniversary everywhere. Tomica looks very, very nice. Plastic headlights, nice, good choice wheels that go with the car. A little bit of a rally effect, but overall they haven't done much to their casting. This casting did already exist. This is just an updated livery for 2020, part of a 3-car set. They absolutely nailed it. Honda looks superb. It's not even a white, it's like a cream with the gold and the gray. It gives everything just a smooth transition. Even with the tossing in a little bit of the red, they did very, very nice options. Very, very nice looks, and I'm happy that they went with something like this. They even mimicked a little bit of carbon fiber over there on the front lip. They did really, really nice details on this car. I was hoping maybe they put some side mirrors. It's not a big deal, but in general, very, very solid choice. Next up, the Supra. A lot easier. Just helps me inch to that little bit higher level of likeness on this car. You have that Tomica badging on the roof over there, Tomica in the front windshield, back windshield. You got the nice anniversary badging over there right on top of the Toyota logo. Everything is clean, crisp. The Toyota badging on the bumper, 50th anniversary, Tomica scribe there, all on the side body with the white transitioning into the hexagon effect. Black looks very, very nice. 50 splattered on that hood. Again, painted headlights. I was hoping maybe they would have put plastic headlights, would have made me like this a little bit more, but not the end of a deal. It's a little bit of a two-tone, so the black is glossy and the white is like a semi-matte. It's not 100% as glossy and reflective as the black portion of the car. So that gives it a nice little two-tone look to the car, and in general I have to say it's fairly acceptable and fairly nice. And I hope that Tomica does do these other anniversary editions and partnerships with car manufacturers to see maybe even aside from their own JDM to get custom liveries and other options out there on the market. And finally, the Nissan GTR. For most of you, this GTR, it's got even opening parts for labeled almost a mainline. Nissan Tomica on the door, pretty detailed interior, right-hand drive over there if you can see the interior. You got the painted tail lights, you got plastic headlights, you got the 50 Tomica badging on the roof. On the rear spoiler, you have Tomica badging, the 50 on the side, celebrating 50 years of partnership with GTR and Tomica. Tomica branding on the front bumper, the front lip. Very, very nice, very subtle, not too much. There's a little bit too many 50s on the car for me, but in general, it's a GTR. Looks absolutely great. They even updated this casting a little bit, I'm almost sure, because the tailpipes did not look that clearly defined on the last models that I've previously owned, and they even have a little hint of blue, as you can see there. But aside from that, maybe because it would have been a 50th anniversary partnership specialty livery, I would have hoped that maybe they would have gone with premium style wheels, even though it wouldn't be a premium labeled casting, but at least premium style wheels that give the car that little bit more of a kick, give it a little bit more of that self-worth at this level. You know, it's specialty cars, they're limited runs, and there's only 3 of them for this year, you know, and this year marks that 50th anniversary. 2020 hasn't been a fantastic year, but for the most part, you know, that's in the car world, toy world, there's been a lot happening, and 2021 doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon, and I hope Tomica continues this up. Let us test the typical suspension test. And they all pass with flying colors. And that wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting, and that's a fact. As always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you all in the next one.